Hey guys, I am back for video number 8, and that is going to be about filtering data. And I've switched the data set that I've been using because the government data sets that I have tend to break everything down demographically, which is great, but it just means that there's a lot of customization and exceptions that have to be made to be able to analyze the data within the different subsets that they've created. So I went ahead and switched over to an example data set from a business college of something that you might see, like a database of in an office. And so I wanted to talk about the filter feature. So again, in order to access the filter settings, we got to go to the Data Tools menu, and we hit Filter. And when we select that, when we highlight this menu, what it does is it's going to create these drop-down menus within each column heading. And so what I can do is then I can start saying, like, we've got our aggregate mean, median, mode down here, but I could actually just filter it to only have specific subsets within my data displayed and then calculated. So what I might do is I might say, instead of showing all the items, let's just say let's only show the ones people with binders, desks, and pins. And when I do that, see, if you notice, it's changed the data that's being displayed, and it's changed the values that I have down here at the bottom. So just a really useful way to filter through our data and basically use just the characteristics of that named variable in order to just say, okay, let's eliminate all the variables that don't have this particular name that we're looking for. So there we go.